Introducing Laguna guy.
Still gay? Ooh, what is this?
We got the old shifter out.
Dickhead.
Oh,
Dickhead.
big one.
Snorches.
Sexy boy.
You, the girl he tells you not to worry about. That guy. I mean, you, the girl he tells you not to worry about.
Confused. Professional. Oh.
Gona šokolna debilo, pa je to to.
Nice, mate.
Oh, very nice. Fucking mint, mate.
The coronavirus.
А ти кажеш коридор, виж сме хубър.
Yeah, Adele.
Opa.
Taking a break from this to work on this, the wall of posters. I got some GTRs, got some 240s, you know, the good stuff, so you don't just look at this all day. And yeah, working on the workshops, and got a laptop, and got a weird guy with a hammer.
Yes. Please do not record this.
So I'll keep recording.
What?
This is what
You
quality
gotta be
entertainment
shitting
looks
me.
like.
What the fuck? Yeah, that's it. Let's just. What the fuck?
I'm so glad that's on film. People clicked on this video because it said Clio shifter install, and now they're watching some guy fucking hammer on a poster in his garage. I'm sorry, okay? It's the best we got.
Beautiful. We have the Mishimoto thermostatic sandwich plate for the oil line stakeout. Then we have the sandwich plate adapter for the temp gauge, temp sensor, and the pressure sensor. That's it. Then we have again 10 fuel lines that go from there all the way in there and to the Mishimoto 10-row cooler. And it's perfect. I mean, it's... But that's not gonna be an issue.
Well, if someone kicks it really hard.
Please don't.
So,
That's all I have for
we
now.
also half-assedly installed the new shifter. We just bolted it on, and
Yeah,
now
look at that. It's amazing. Come here.
we didn't do much filming except the shenanigans.
Yes.
Ooh,
Look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing. Cool motorsport.
It's so big.
Oh yeah. So let me just sit in real quick. Change. Switch places. Oh,
It's tight.
I'm not gonna yank it too much. I mean, I'm not gonna yank it at all because. But it's gonna be like, if this is your position behind the steering wheel, it's gonna be way better to just like, you know, instead of reaching all the way down there and like, and the throw of the old shifter was like first, second, third, fourth. This one is more like, think, like. So, way better, but we still have to.
Just needs alignment on the gearbox and
Yes.
it's gonna be perfect.
Great.
That chocolate though. So what do we have here?
What do we have here is a new billet fuel rail, AEM fuel pressure regulator, and a sexy gauge, and plenty of PTFE and fittings, again 6. So we are gonna assemble this now, hopefully. So in theory, these fuckers go onto the existing fuel line at the bottom. Yeah, down there somewhere. This fit onto the existing fuel line, then this on everyone, and then pipe onto that. Up here, then out of the fuel pressure regulator, and this comes there and this goes in there. Let's fucking do it! Whoop! So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna fit this in instead of these push-on thingies that come with the fuel rail. We'll try to gently bolt this in and tighten it on each side.
So we have assembled the fuel rail.
Hopefully. Yeah, we had some issues with the fuel regulator turning more than it should, or not turning enough, so...
Yes, now it's in the right spot, and
we hope it's in the right spot. So, yeah, this should all go in now nicely. Is it in? Is it in? That's not what she said. That was... No, that is interesting.
yes. Okay, we have this here bracket. It's not bent the right way. Like this, you know it. And I gotta fix it, so.
I think you overdid it.
No, it's good.
Hopefully this is the last time, because we still didn't get it right. And it's
Fucking annoying.
it's becoming quite annoying, yeah.
I don't know, let's find out.
Yep. We're gonna file it down. See, this is the correct way to file. Say that again, I dare you.
He said he's kinda straight.
Yeah, that's what he said. Okay, the fuel rail is now on. Oh, it's kinda straight, yeah. It's kinda straight.
Sure, so how do we plug this in?
Yeah, we don't plug that in. We do PTFE fittings like this. This is a pain to get on. AN6 are even fucking worse than AN10, Jesus Christ. Oh, and we fucked up. Because, oh god, you're supposed to put this on first.
Good job. I mean, go from the other side.
It won't make a difference, we still have to use this side.
Well, just put it on from the other side.
Oh yeah, right.
Bitch.
Yeah, that's big brain moment. Oh wait, what's the oh, wait, I can't do it here. Wait.
Sure. Just do the fucking line. Shaman does not approve of this line.
Okay.
Show us.
You know, you use your strength that you have in your right hand from, and just you're looking for a click.
No such thing.
Jesus Christ!
Didn't break hard enough.
Like,
Sonny Jim, what's going on? Got one side of the line done,
And
connected
now-
it underneath, now we're doing the other side. This is gonna be the return, it's gonna come up here. And now I guess we just need to install the fitting here.
yep, it is a bit sideways, but this goes in between the Teflon and the outer thing. Oh wait, let's not fuck up. Wait.
Yeah, this time, this time it's for real.
Let's not forget it, because we can't undo it. Okay, then you put this in between. Because this then creates a whole seal, like an extra protection layer or some shit. And then you kind of press it in. And then when you have it in between, you see there,
Yes.
and then you just slam it,
Smash or pass.
and you hope that
Smash.
it goes equally to each side. I don't know what I'm saying anyway. But you just do that until it's nice and flush. Then
Heat
use
gun.
the heat gun. Yeah. Don't overdo it. And,
Just a little zap.
it's kind of hot though. Just do that. I think it's enough. It's really fucking. And then you just put it on until you hear a click.
Last time we were trying for like 10 minutes and then some heat and it just went poop.
Please go in nicely.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
that's it.
That was good.
Fuck, it's hot. And that's one pipe done.
Now we just install it and move on to the next one.
Exactly.
Now we have these clamps to put two hoses together and they don't really hold anything, they just kind of hold them together but not like tight. See?
I'm fucking
They're not tight.
Jesus Christ.
So I guess we're gonna take them apart and sand them down and hopefully they grab the hoses.
We have
more.
a perfect method for that. Follow me.
Well, I guess we succeeded in putting on the fuel lines right there. So we didn't succeed with making these fit better, so just gotta buy other ones. Fittings are on, lines on, the intake is just on for looks. This is on and everything's connected down below and yeah, this is how it should be.
I would say great success, but I'm very dissatisfied with how
Yeah.
this turned out.
These are shit.
We tried to
Yeah, we sanded
sand
them.
them down and it's... I mean, it's shit. It's just
Whatever.
fucking
Just
shit.
buy good ones.
So yeah, we also tried to... Like, the most ingenious idea and the very... Like, the best one is to just put this around here and then bolt it on the same bolt that holds this front part of the intake on. But it's impossible to get behind here with any fucking tool known to man, so it's kind of cringe.
Also, if anyone wants to buy a Laguna Lip, $150.
Yeah, I will sell it. For
We will supply you with Laguna Lips.
Yes, we have some in stock. I
Yes,
dare to say
oh.
we do. So yeah,
We need to make a store and sell Laguna Lips. Business.
well that's pretty much it. Now the fuel lines are done and the fuel rail and the regulator. It's so fucking sexy.
But what's next?
Oh yeah, Jesus Christ, this is a master plan. Ooh. Yeah. So now that is done, this is done, this is done. So the next thing is to put oil in the engine, into the oil cooler and the pipes, and tighten everything around the oil cooler. Once that is done, we just have to, according to the plan, tighten all these servo hoses.
Yeah, we need to do these before we put on the intake, 'cause
Yeah.
otherwise
This
suicide.
and those there, but those I think are tight. And after that, we have to make a bracket for the battery, for the ECU. It's gonna be like here, like there, and then electricity. And after that, the car should
Burn down to the ground.
hopefully not. The car should run. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now.
Great.
Tune in later.
OnlyFans with food pics very soon.
Yes.
In progress.
Preview.
Another sneak preview, yes, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
And if anyone has any free those hose separator clamps and wants to send it to us, them to us, we will be grateful. Yes.
Sure.
That's pretty much it. Bye.